Good morning, everyone. This is Harshal here. I welcome you all to another vlog. Thank you, everyone who supported my last vlog. If you are new to this journey, make sure you hit the subscribe button below so every journey of mine has your essence in it. So, I'm coming up with a new video called as Cup of Memories, where we'll be having an uncut conversation with my personal favorites over a cup of coffee. Our first guest today is a person who has been a beautiful part of my life since past 9 years. So let's welcome Sarah. So welcome Sarah on my very first video of Cup of Memories. So how do you feel like this is the first video? I've planned this small experimental shoot, and you are the first guest of honor for this. How do you feel like?
Thank you very much for having me on your channel.
Pleasure.
And it's great to know that I am the first person to be on that guest list for your video.
Oh my god! Wow!
And yes, another most important thing is, I think in the last 9 years since we have met, this is the first time I'm coming to your place.
Yeah. Yes.
So wo bahana was for the shoot.
Yeah.
So the shoot has got me finally
Yes.
come to your home.
Yeah.
So it feels good.
Well, I know Sarah since college days. So it's been 9 years we have, celebrating or having this bond of friendship. And I always feel glad enough to share things with her.
We have had ups and downs.
Yeah, a lot.
A lot of ups and downs.
Probably she was the only girl who got selected for a job, campus in-house job, from the graduation part. And later on she moved to Pune. So in 2016 we had been, me and all other groups,
Yeah.
we had been to your place, right? In 16.
2016.
16, right?
16.
So in 2016 we had been to Pune, and since then I always find an opportunity to be, to visit Pune, to be at her place, to share things, to share memories, to create memories.
Okay, now that he's doing so much of, I know her since college days and I know her since 9 years. So I have come up with something very interesting for this video from my end.
What's that?
And I have listed out some questions
Okay.
and I want you to answer them about me.
Okay.
Okay, so I will know how well you know me.
Cool. Let's start.
Let's start.
Yeah. So I've jotted down the questions.
Yes.
Oh.
We are here with the questions.
Okay. So
Let's
what's the
get
first
started?
question? Yeah.
Okay. The first question is, how and when did we meet?
Yeah. So we met in 2012, I guess. Freshers party थी, ठीक है? And so I had met with an accident, and probably
It was Friendships Day, by the way.
yeah, it was Friendship Day.
Freshers party नहीं था.
Oh, right. I had met with an accident, so I was not aware.
He lost his memory.
Exactly.
So he doesn't know whether it was Friendships Day or Freshers
Maybe
party.
because मतलब सबका एडमिशन पहले हो चुका था. I was the only person जिसका एडमिशन 2 महीने बाद हुआ था. ठीक है. While the college started, उसके 2 महीने बाद I had been to college. So my only glimpse or glance with Sarah was she was just roaming around. We had a small event in the I guess the auditorium, and वहाँ पे I was sitting on the chairs just waiting. I was just looking around what was going on. और वहाँ पे I saw this. Tired नहीं रहा था वैसे, but yes, I saw this cute bubbly looking girl coming around. And boys always have that curiosity of whenever they look for a girl like this, so they feel like यार friendship का अच्छा मौका है तो जाके दोस्ती वगैरह कर लेते हैं. And yeah, so that was the only moment I met her for the first time. So friendship तभी हुई थी. And
Harshal tied me a
I tied you.
white friendship
Yeah,
band.
yeah.
I didn't tie him a friendship band.
Okay. Yeah. Whatever.
Okay. Okay, you get a point for that.
Okay.
Second question. What was your first impression when you first saw me?
This is a quite tricky question, I would say, because I had not met anyone else before her. Okay.
In the college.
In the college, obvious. in the classroom, I would say. So yeah, she was someone, you know, I would always find that charming nature. Okay, so that elegance used to be on her face every time when I used to see her, or when I used to meet her, I used to talk to her. So I used to feel that positivity, that connect, despite of not knowing her personally, but I always felt somewhere or the other I have that connect with her.
My first impression was ये मुझे white friendship band क्यों बांध रहा है?
वैसा कुछ था नहीं यार, मतलब I had just carried a few friendship bands in my pocket.
Like इसको बुरा लग जाएगा अगर मैं friendship band नहीं बांधूंगा तो मैं बांध देता हूँ.
I didn't expect it कि there will be someone like you in our classroom, ठीक है, because I was not even aware कि मैं वैसा पैर पे पूरा बैंडेज वगैरह था, और मैं I was just ऐसा लंगड़ लंगड़ के मैं आया था, ऑडिटोरियम में बैठा था. So I was just gazing around. like तेरे लैंग्वेज में ताड़ रहा था कि कोई है अगर दिख जाए तो बांधू बैंड वैसा.
Okay.
Yeah.
Moving to the next one.
Hmm.
Our favorite memory together
Since college days,
since college days.
favorite memory, to be very specific, like कॉलेज डेज में तो सबकी मेमोरीज होती है, आईवीज होती है, इवेंट्स होते हैं, बट आई गेस जैसे जैसे हमारी फ्रेंडशिप ज़्यादा अच्छी होती गई, वी स्टार्टेड नोइंग ईच अदर. So from my end, the best memory was when I had planned her 25th birthday, and I had literally surprised her. She was not aware whatever I have planned for her. That was a totally unexpected thing I was doing for her. That was the most memorable thing, I would say. Surprising
I
factor.
did not expect that.
Yeah.
Seriously, I did not expect that.
वही है. उसके
Okay. Moving on to the next question. Which three things would I take with me on a deserted island?
let me guess this. First will be a sunscreen. ठीक है.
Okay.
Second, your glares,
Okay.
probably. And third thing, I would say
It's a deserted island.
few cans of beer, I suppose, right? It is much needed.
Okay.
Yeah. What next?
Next one.
Yeah.
What does your best friend always carry around wherever they go?
See, to be very frank, I have never seen this girl carrying any specific thing along with her. Okay, not even a single bag. Okay. So, to answer this, I would say she has a ring in her hand. That is the only thing she carries with her.
This is the ring I got from Israel.
Yeah.
I think
एंड
it is
उसके
not-
रिलेटेड भी एक छोटी सी मेमोरी है, किस्सा मैं आपसे शेयर करना चाहूंगा. तो वी हैड बीन टू रन ऑफ कच्छ इन दिसंबर, आई सपोज दिसंबर, राइट? In December last year itself, before this bloody pandemic started. And at that time, while we were back to Mumbai, this girl forgot a ring in the tent. क्या किया रहेगा? We called वहाँ पे. That guy was genuine enough कि courier से उसने ring हमें भेज दी. तो यही एक प्रेशियस चीज, और यही एक चीज है जो हमेशा वो बंदी अपने साथ कैरी करती है, जो है उसके रिंग.
Okay. Next is, if I met a genie, what would I wish for?
So, like, since this girl has moved to Pune, she's always curious about traveling to new places. Okay, she was not fond of traveling before, I suppose, if I'm not wrong. When she shifted to Pune,
I was fond of traveling, but I couldn't
couldn't
travel.
travel. Okay,
First reason was that I was at home,
yeah,
for everything I had to ask for permission.
permissions.
Second reason was I was not earning well.
Okay,
So घूमने के लिए पैसे की जरूरत होती है.
exactly.
तो
And the last reason was दोस्त, जो
and we need people who travel.
exactly.
You can't be with people who don't want to travel.
That's yeah.
That's you.
So yeah, what was the question? Can you repeat, please?
The question: if I met a genie,
Okay.
what would I wish for?
I guess since last 6 months, we guys are planning to go to Leh Ladakh. We have already booked our tickets. We had planned to go to Ladakh in May 2019. Unfortunately, it got cancelled, as you know the reason. And that is the only thing this girl is, thinking again and again, that when this bloody thing will end and when she might get to visit Ladakh. That is the only hope she has in
It's
2021.
not only about Ladakh, but
A lot of places,
Lot
but
of
on, to
places
be on
to
the
go.
priority list, this might be the thing.
but it's a genie. He can grant me any wish.
Yeah, so he can take you to Ladakh as well.
Free का.
फ्री का मैं भी तेरे को बाइक टूर के अलावा सीधा एटू से ही पहुंचा दे.
Okay. Moving to the next one.
Yeah.
Did we ever have a fight?
Yes, we have. You know better than me. So it was in 2014, our graduation year, the last year of our college, and it was a mess, man. Because since 2012,
We were kids.
yeah,
We
actually,
were immature.
we're totally immature. I had this passion of photographing since 2012. So I always used to carry the first DSLR which I had. It was a Nikon one. Daily carry करता था यार college में. And I used to click her pictures. If you can check my Facebook account, I still have those few pictures which I had shot. She was the only model, rather the person I used to know, जिसको मैं कहीं पे भी बोलता था कि यार यहाँ पे खड़े रहे मैं तेरे फोटो क्लिक कर लेता हूँ, ठीक है. एंड आई एम ग्लैड इनफ कि यार शी नेवर यूज्ड टू कंप्लेन कि यार बस कर यार मैं कंटाल गई या ऐसा. शी नेवर यूज्ड टू से दैट. शी ऑलवेज एंजॉयड दैट. शी ऑलवेज हेल्प मी ईच एंड एवरीथिंग. फाइट क्यों हुई, कैसे हुई, ये किसी को ब्लेम करके मतलब तो है नहीं, ठीक है. जो चीज़ें होनी रहती है बस हो जाती है. एंड आई गेस ठीक है, हो गई. उसके बाद आई गेस वी started knowing each other in a new way.
I think it is good that we
Got separated for some time.
Yeah,
We understood each other due to
whatever
someone
it is.
else.
Yeah, right.
Okay. बाकी तो आप देख ही रहे हैं साथ में 9 साल से यार.
Next question. Describe my dream partner.
ड्रीम पार्टनर. शी इज़ नॉट ऑब्सेस्ड ऑफ मटेरियलिस्टिक थिंग्स कि ये होना चाहिए, ऐसा होना चाहिए, वैसा होना चाहिए. शी इज़ समवन, ठीक है. मतलब जो क्वालिटीज ये देखेगी ना, what I feel is like, correct me if I'm wrong, that person should be understanding. Okay. It is not just about pampering someone, but before accepting the girl or before accepting her, that person should accept rather her family, her friends, or the surroundings she has. Okay. Because he will be the person coming after all these persons in her life. तो शी विल बी ग्लैड एंड लकी इनफ अगर उसके पहले अगर वो उसके लोगों को अपना ले तो इवेंचुअली शी विल फॉल फॉर हिम, इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग. और वही उसकी स्पेशल बात यही है यार कि शी इज़ डाउन टू अर्थ. शी वोंट कीप टेलिंग यू कि अगर उसे कोई चीज़ बुरी लगी ना तो वो 100 लोगों के पास नहीं जाएगी. शी विल कम टू यू, शी विल टेल यू कि यार मेरे को ये लगा, एंड शी विल सॉर्ट इट आउट. दैट काइंड ऑफ अ गर्ल शी इज़.
Okay, that was बहुत सारी तारीफ. Thank you. Okay. Another thing I think every person looks for in a partner is the vibe.
Exactly.
If you get that vibe, that's the right partner.
Positive vibes, I would say.
Obviously, positive vibes. Next question: what do I do on a free day?
So she has this thing of always learning something or the other. कुछ ना कुछ नया सीखते रहती है, कुछ ना कुछ नया डिज़ाइन करती रहती है. So she is a productive person, ठीक है. Currently she has been learning a lot of Adobe softwares. और फ्री टाइम में ये बंदी सोएगी नहीं, ठीक है. बिल्कुल नहीं सोएगी. कुछ ना कुछ सीखते रहेगी, इवॉल्व करती रहेगी, एक्सप्लोर करती रहेगी, बट ये शांत नहीं बैठेगी. दैट इज़ व्हाट आई फील.
Okay. और हर्षल फ्री टाइम में अपनी बाइक निकाल के घूमने निकलेगा. और one is bike and the other thing is his camera.
Yeah. She knows me.
Next question: what do I talk about all the time?
What does she talk about all the time? Like any specific phrase of what you're talking about?
Even I don't know.
Talk about all the time. See, maximum time we keep discussing about career plans, future plans.
We have grown old.
Yeah, and the most highlighted point we have is Ladakh कब जाना है.
I think I always keep on talking कि next plan क्या है,
Yeah.
कहाँ जाना है, it was like लद्दाख का plan 6 महीने पहले से बनाया हुआ था. 6 महीने पहले से I was creating the itinerary.
Yeah, right.
कौन कौन आ रहा है, कितना बजट होगा, वो
और
भी
टिकट्स बुक हो चुके थे हमारे
सिर्फ ट्रेन की, लकीली
ट्रेन की.
जिसके पैसे
बट वी
वापस
अगेन लकी इनफ कि पूरे पैसे वापस भी मिल गए हमें. तो ठीक है, विन विन सिचुएशन था. जा भी नहीं सके पर पैसा डूबा नहीं, ऐसा भी नहीं था.
So going out, I think that is the thing I keep on talking.
Yeah.
That is the same thing what you keep on talking about.
Yes.
If I choose to master one skill,
Mhm.
what would it be?
To develop yourself as a businesswoman.
Okay.
So like you have been, learning a lot of things, exploring a few things.
Struggling.
So yeah,
hard.
guys, she has started a new business. It's about t-shirts, tote bags, and a lot of customized things. I'll drop down the link in the description below. You can check it out. If you need anything on your birthdays or any occasions or festivals, you can contact her.
Moving to the next one.
Mhm.
One superpower, if given to me, what would I like to have it?
Like, though this power won't affect your life, but still I would say reading people's mind.
Okay.
Not always, but at sometimes it matters. May that be related to a close friend of ours, or to a close person we have in our life.
I guess I would only want to read somebody's mind when that person is upset or disappointed.
Exactly.
What would I do if I won a lottery?
She would buy a house in Canada.
Okay, that is something I could do. I would go to Canada.
Exactly. She would buy a house in Canada. मैं क्या करूँगा? I'll hop. That is what I've been doing since past 5 years. She was
Getaway place.
I just keep finding places. दोस्त जहाँ पे गए मैं वहाँ पे चला गया बस.
So we are done with the questions and
Great.
looks like Harshal really knows me well. थोड़ा इधर उधर हुआ but not bad. It was really great to be on your video today as the first guest for
Pleasure is all mine.
Cup of Memories. Thank you very much. And I wish you all the best for future videos.
Thank you.
Please like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this.
Hit the like button. Thank you.